Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your TV supports DLNA, Chromecast, AirPlay, or has an HDMI port. Next, install the latest VLC on the device you'll stream from. Updates reduce codec issues. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and note the PC or phone IP if you plan to use network streaming. Once done, open VLC and prepare the file. You want the video ready so discovery and casting happen without delay. You now move into the core steps. In VLC on desktop, choose Playback Renderer and select your Chromecast or DLNA device. VLC will transcode if needed. If you use AirPlay from an iPhone, enable screen mirroring and then play the file in VLC so audio and video route correctly. For HDMI, plug the cable, select the TV input, and set VLC's video output to match the TV resolution and aspect ratio. Once connected, control playback from VLC. That's how you manage Finish by optimizing playback. If video stutters or audio is missing, open VLC's preferences and tweak transcoding or hardware acceleration settings. That forces compatible streams. For the best picture and zero lag, use an HDMI connection instead of wireless. Make sure the TV input matches the cable. If the TV disappears from VLC's renderer list, restart your router, reconnect both devices to Wi-Fi, and reselect the renderer. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot VLC and the TV first. That clears most transient discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.